Embrace the challenge, for within every struggle lies an opportunity to grow.
Believe in yourself, for you hold the key to unlocking your limitless potential.
Every step forward, no matter how small, brings you closer to your dreams.
You are capable of far more than you imagine. Trust in your abilities and persevere.
In the pursuit of knowledge, there are no limits. Let your curiosity guide you to greatness.
Success is not determined by how many times you fall, but by how many times you rise again.
Your journey may be difficult, but remember, diamonds are formed under pressure.
Dare to dream boldly, for it is the audacity of your dreams that fuels your determination.
Embrace the power of learning, for it has the ability to transform your life in unimaginable ways.
You are not defined by your past, but by the strength and resilience with which you shape your future.